Alright guys, so now we're ready to roll. Got everything cut in one coat and we're gonna work on rolling this out. So you're gonna want to get your roller down in here. Don't get it too deep, just enough to get your cover full of paint. Just kind of hold this however you feel most comfortable, you know, left hand, right hand, whichever side it is. And then when I stick the roller onto the wall, I always go up first. So that's just preference totally, but going up first versus going down first and bringing your cover here that's full of paint onto the wall just eliminates the possibility of getting more drips all over the place. So after you have that, just one down. Try to work straight up and down with the roller, and then, you know, just kind of work your way over a little bit. Up and down. Up and down. And then get some more paint here. Dip it in. Using that cover to get the excess paint off of the roller. And then we start our process over again here. Up and down. Try to keep it straight up and down. If you have any excess on there, go back and hit it, and then move on to the next area of the wall. Working your way across the wall here. Up and down. Once you get to the corner, you're going to want to switch sides. You're going to want to use the side where your frame isn't over here, and don't go directly into the corner. Kind of stay away a little bit. Up and down. And then kind of working your roller over into this corner just a little bit. We don't want to touch this wall. We want to keep it away from there. But maybe get, you know, an inch away. Up and down. And then going back and filling this in here. Dipping this in here. We want to make sure that we're not pushing the frame all the way down into the paint. We just want to skim. We just want to get enough of that paint onto that cover so we can get some more paint onto the wall. We don't want to totally oversaturate it. Alright. Staying away from the corner and then working your way into it. Slowly. Just like that. Alright. Switching sides here. So you can come under these, work around them, and some paint around them so you don't totally go over the middle of the hole. Sometimes when you do that, you're going to pick up dust and debris that are inside of there that you don't want to put up onto your wall when you're painting. So it's nice to kind of just get that out of the way there. So continuing on, try to work your paint up and down. Feathering it back a little bit so you don't have any lines on your walls. Taking your time. Continuing up and down. Straight up and down like that. As I get to these screws here, I'm just going to want to make sure there's not a ton of excess paint on the roller, because when I roll over them, I don't want those to drip. So, I'm going to keep going up and down, working our way to the edge of the wall there. Just kind of bump it up. You can kind of, if you want to, you can brush these in as well. You know. Totally up to you. You just don't want to roll over them and have a ton of excess paint so they're dripping. So I'm done with one coat, I like to go back and look over the wall to make sure there are no, you know, paint drips or anything on the wall that might need to be rolled out and smoothed out before it dries. So we're looking all good here, guys. On to the next step.